Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce FortiGate Firewall and the CIS benchmarks. In the next video I will show you how to use and apply CIS benchmark setting on FortiGate step by step. FortiGate is a network firewall developed by Fortinet. It is widely used in companies to protect from cyber threats like malware, hacking attempts and unauthorized access. FortiGate not just firewall, it provides features like VPN, intrusion prevention, IP filtering and traffic monitoring all in one device. Because of this, FortiGate is commonly used in small business, enterprise and data centers. So today network security is very important. Misconfigured firewall can create security risks. That's why we need security standards and best practices to configure firewalls correctly. And this is where CIS benchmarks comes in. CIS stands for Center for Internet Security. CIS benchmarks are security guidelines created by cybersecurity experts. These benchmarks help us configure systems and devices in a secure way by disabling unnecessary services and enabling strong security settings. CIS provides benchmarks for many technologies, including FortiGate Firewall. So benchmarks. So first you can see this is benchmark websites where you can see FortiGate listed. This website shows the available security benchmark and documentations that helps administrators secure their firewalls. In this video, I am going to give you an overview of websites and explaining its purpose. I will show you how to use the CIS benchmarks for FortiGate firewall and apply the recommendation practically. So here you can see so many platforms means products you can available like cloud providers, and in this you can see I will open you in the network device options. You will see all the firewalls, that is Checkpoint, Cisco, Extreme, F5, Fortinet. So first how to use it I will show you. So in the Fortinet you can see you can use this as per your versions. Means if suppose your version is 7.0, so now my if latest version is 7.4, so I will download this PDF and you can see you need to open this uh, PDF, and in here you can see all the recommendations, means what you need to block, what you need to, means this is the hardening point where you can get all the information. So once that information completes you can select here ensure firewall deny all traffic to from malicious servers or scanner using IHDB. So all this security how to use this, so I will show in the next video. So guys, this is the very helpful platform, that is CIS benchmark. So for the hardening purpose. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. So guys, thank you for watching my video. We will meet in the next video and I will show you how to use the CIS benchmarks for the FortiGate firewall and other firewall also.